Welcome second year student, paper number MTS 301, calculus of several variable. Video number 35, unit number 4, double and triple integration, and this is video of volume by triple integration. Means find volume of the region by using triple integration. Dear friend, first subscribe my YouTube channel PV Patil. Find the volume by triple integration. If the region V is bounded by the inequalities a less than or equal to x less than or equal to b, means x is in between a and b, y is in between c and d, and z is in between e and f, then the volume of the region is V is equal to integration x varies from a to b, integration y varies from c to d, integration z varies from e to f, 1 dz dy dx. Means here function is 1. Function is 1 and integrate with respect to x, y and z. This is formula to calculate volume of the given region. By using this, evaluate the first problem. Find the volume of the region bounded by the planes x is 0, y is 0, z is 0, and x plus y plus z equal to 1. The region V is bounded by the coordinate planes. Here given x is 0, y is 0 and z is 0. These are lower limit of the integration. Every integration have lower limit. X is 0, y is 0, z is 0. Now find the upper limit of the integration by using the formula x plus y plus z equal to 1. First put the value of y and z is 0 in x plus y plus z equal to 1. We get x is 1, means x varies from 0 to. Similarly, put the value of z is 0 in x plus y plus z equal to 0. Therefore, we get y is equal to 1 minus x, means y varies from 0 to 1 minus x. Limit of y from 0 to 1 minus x. Now, last time the value of z varies from 0 to. By using this second equation, value of z is 1 minus x minus y, means z varies from 0 to 1 minus x minus y. Required volume equal to integration x varies from 0 to 1, y varies from 0 to 1 minus x, and z varies from 0 to 1 minus x minus y, dz dy dA. First one, integrate the inside integration. Inside integration is z varies from 0 to 1 minus x minus y dz. Integration of dz is z. Z varies from 0 to 1 minus x minus y dy dA. Now first put the value of z is upper limit 1 minus x minus y. So we get 1 minus x minus y. Now put the value of z is 0 minus 0. So as it is dy dx. Now integrate this with respect to y. Integration of 1 is y, integration of x is x into y, and integral of y is y square by 2. Y varies from 0 to 1 minus x dA. Now first put the value of y as 1 minus x. Therefore we get value of y is 1 minus x. So 1 minus x into 1 minus x minus 1 minus x bracket square upon 2 dx, and lower limit 0, so every term is 0, equal to we get integration x varies from 0 to 1, 1 minus x plus x square minus 1 minus x bracket square upon 2. So we get integration x varies from 0 to 1, 1 minus 2x plus x square minus 1 minus x bracket square upon 2 dA. Now this first three term is a perfect square as a 1 minus x bracket square minus 1 minus x bracket square upon 2 dx. Take LCM here. So equal to x varies from 0 to 1. LCM is 2. 2 into 1 minus x bracket square minus 1 minus x bracket square dx. Now 2 times 1 minus x square and minus 1 times 1 minus x square means 2 minus 1 is only 1. So equal to only 1 minus x bracket square upon 2 dx. Here 1/2 constant out of the integration. 1/2 integration 1 minus x bracket square. Integrate this 1/2 Now integration 1 minus x bracket square is 1 minus x bracket cube upon 3. Also divide by coefficient of x as a minus 1 and x varies from 0 to 1. Now first put upper limit. Put the value of x is 1, so 1 minus 1 bracket cube upon 3. Minus of minus plus. Put the value of x is 0, 1 minus 0 bracket cube upon 3. Therefore equal to we get 1 half. First term is 0, second term is 1 by 3 is equal to 1 upon 6 cubic unit is the answer. Next problem second. Find the volume of the region bounded by the planes x is 0, y is 0, z is 0 and x plus 2y plus 3z equal to 6. The region V is bounded by the plane x is 0, y is 0, z is 0 and x plus 2y plus 3z equal to 6 means lower limit of each integral is 0. X is 0, y is 0 and z is 0. Now find upper limit by using second formula x plus 2y plus 3z equal to 6. First put y and z is 0 in second equation. We get x plus 0 is 6 means x is 6 means x varies from 0 to 6. Now next time put the value of only z is 0. We get x plus 2y equal to 6. So 2y equal to 6 minus x, y equal to 6 minus x upon 2 means y varies from 0 to 6 minus x upon 2. Similarly z varies from 0 to. Find the value of z by the equation x plus 2y plus 3z equal to 6. So 3z equal to 6 minus x minus 2y and therefore z equal to 6 minus x minus 2y upon 3. Now these are limit of the integral. Therefore required volume is equal to x varies from 0 to 6, y varies from 0 to 6 minus x by 2 and z varies from 0 to 6 minus x minus 2y by 3 dz dy dx. Now first one, integrate inside the integral means integrate with respect to z. Integral dz is z. Z varies from 0 to 6 minus x minus 2y by 3. Now first put upper limit. Upper limit means value of z as 6 minus x minus 2y by 3 and then minus of put lower limit z is 0. So is only 6 minus x minus 2y by 3 dy. 1 by 3 constant out of the integral. 1 by 3 integration x varies from 0 to 6, y varies from 0 to 6 minus x upon 2. Inside the bracket 6 minus x minus 2y dy dx. Now integrate with respect to y. So 1 by 3 x varies from 0 to 6. Integral of 6 is 6y. Integral of x is x into y and integral of 2y is 2y square by 2. Y varies from 0 to 6 minus x upon 2 dx. Now here put the value of y as upper limit 6 minus x upon 2. So we get inside the bracket 6 value of y 6 minus x upon 2 minus x 6 minus x upon 2 minus 6 minus x bracket square dx. Simplify this term. Take LCM as a 2. So 1 by 3 integral x varies from 0 to 6 upon 2. LCM is 2. Therefore we get 6 into 6 minus x into 6 minus x minus 2 into 6 minus x bracket square equal to we get 1 by 3 into 1 half. X integral x varies from 0 to 6. Inside the bracket 6 6 are 36 minus 6x minus 6x minus of minus plus x square minus 2 into bracket 6 minus x bracket square dx equal to we get 1 by 6. X varies from 0 to 6. Now 36 minus 6x minus 6x means minus 12x plus x square minus 2 into 6 minus x bracket square dx equal to we get 1 by 6. Integration x varies from 0 to 6. Now this 3 term 36 minus 12x plus x square are a perfect square. 6 minus x bracket square minus 2 into 6 minus x bracket square dx. Now 6 minus x square minus 2 times 6 minus x square means minus 6 minus x bracket square dx equal to we get minus 1 by 6 integral x varies from 0 to 6 minus x bracket square dx. Integrate this with respect to x equal to minus 1 by 6 minus x bracket cube upon 3, also divide by coefficient of x minus 1 and x varies from 0 to 6. Now first put upper limit as x is a 6 outside the bracket, first term 1 by 18 inside the bracket 6 minus 6 cube minus put lower limit 6 minus 0 bracket cube equal to 1 upon 18 minus 6 cube equal to minus 6 into 6 upon 18. After simplification we get minus 12, but volume is always positive, therefore equal to 12 cubic unit is the volume of required region. Next, example number 3. Evaluate the volume of sphere of radius A by triple integration. Equation of sphere of radius A is x square plus y square plus z square equal to is volume of sphere with center 0 0 0 and radius A is equally spread in each octant. Therefore in the first octant, inside only first octant, value of x is in between 0 and A because radius of the sphere is A. Now put the value of z is 0 in equation of sphere and find the value of y in the first octant as y varies from 0 to square root of a square minus x square. Because put z is 0 in equation of sphere, we get x square plus y square is a square, means y square equal to a square minus x square and y equal to plus or minus square root a square minus x square. But in the first octant y is always positive, so y varies from 0 to square root a square minus x square. Similarly z varies from 0 to square root of a square minus x square minus y square. Now these are limits in only first octant and volume of sphere is in base, means multiply by 8 times. So volume of sphere equal to 8 into volume of sphere in first octant equal to we get 8 integration x varies from 0 to a integration y varies from 0 to square root a square minus x square integration z varies from 0 to square root a square minus x square minus y square dz dy dx. First integrate with respect to z and integration of dz is only z. Z varies from 0 to square root a square minus x square minus y square. Now first put upper limit value of z as square root. So we get square root a square minus x square minus y square and next value of y as a 0, so minus 0 dy. Now therefore equal to 8 times integration x varies from 0 to a inside the bracket integration y varies from 0 to square root a square minus x square. Now this next term as square root of square root a square minus x square bracket square minus y square dy dx. Now integrate this term with respect to y. Use the formula of integration here. Integration square root a square minus y square dx equal to y upon 2 square root a square minus y square plus a square by 2 sin inverse y upon a. Use this formula for this integration with respect to y. So we get 8 times integration x varies from 0 to a. Now integration by using this formula is y upon 2 square root of a square minus x square minus y square plus a square minus x square by 2 and sin inverse y upon square root a square minus x square. Y varies from 0 to square root a square minus x square. Now first put upper limit value of y as square root, therefore we get 8 times integral x varies from 0 to a. Now put the value of y as square root a square minus x square upon 2 integration square root a square minus x square minus again put value of y. So we get square root a square minus x square its square is a square minus x square plus a square minus x square by 2 sin inverse square root a square minus x square upon square root a square minus x square minus of put lower limit y as a 0, so first term is 0 minus a square minus x square upon 2 sin inverse of 0. Simplify this term 8 times. Integration x varies from 0 to a. Now first term is a 0 because inside this second square root a square minus x square minus a square minus x square is a 0. Next term a square minus x square by 2 sin inverse of 1 and all the next terms are 0. Now put the value of sin inverse 1 as a pi by 2. So therefore we get 8 time integral x varies from 0 to a square minus x square by 2 into pi by 2 dx. So pi by 4 constant out of the integration, we get 8 pi by 4 integration x varies from 0 to a square minus x square dx. Only simplify this term, we get 2 pi integration x varies from 0 to a inside the bracket a square minus x square dx. Now integrate with respect to x, we get 2 pi a square x minus integral x square is x cube by 3, x varies from 0 to a. First put upper limit 2 pi. Put the value of x is a cube minus a cube by 3 minus 0 minus 0. We get 2 pi. LCM is 3, so 3a cube minus a cube by 3. We get 2 pi into 2a cube by 3 equal to 4 pi a cube by 3 cubic unit. Dear friend, subscribe this channel and share to our friends. Thank you.